Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to tap on the notifications. They should be on the third position. Now let's enter the status bar right here, and at the very bottom of the list we've got show battery percentage option, which is right now turned off because we've got only the battery icon. So in order to activate that, just tap on the switch right here, and as you can see next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.